Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei MatePad Air 2025 and MatePad 11.5s 2025. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. Huawei MatePad Air comes with 12 inches IPS LCD display, and the MatePad 11.5s comes with 11.5 inches TFT LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. Camera features. Huawei MatePad Air comes with 2 rear cameras, and the MatePad 11.5s comes with 1 rear camera. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.